How's everybody doing? It's Paul again over here at Styrene Relics. Welcome back again. This is kind of a bonus test and tune, sort of, and one of my holy grails, copying Don, I guess. So, guy had a good idea, and I thought, doggone, I'm going to do this one too. So, anyway, I've got some stuff here I bought a long time ago. The guy had a flea market that was going on, and he was selling a bunch of stuff that he had done as a kid. And I did not buy any of his space stuff, Apollo 11s and all that kind of stuff, although it was part of the deal. But when I went and picked it up, I told him he could keep it. I just wasn't into all that, and I'm not. And I should have taken it, but I got a really good deal on all this stuff, and it was only fair in my mind that he could sell it, all that space stuff, to someone else. So anyways, let's get started right off the get-go on my Holy Grail. Now, this is not the top Holy Grail for me, but it's up there, and it's got a story to it, and let me tell you how it goes. This is the kit. And how this works out is, when I was little, I saw this kit at the store, and I got to be about 9, 10, 11 years old, and I don't remember what store it was because we did all our buying at SS Kresge's and here in Michigan, and I don't think Johann was sold there. I might be wrong, but I don't think it was. So we were somewhere and I saw this kit, and I really wanted it, and Mom said, well, that was $4, and she didn't have $4 for me to spend on a kit, so strike one. Then I got out of modeling, life happens. I got married, and there was a little hobby shop that I was going to a little bit here and there, and he had this kit sitting there, and it was an open kit, but it was all there. And so I says, hey Chris, what do you got to have for that? And he says $32 or $35, something like that. I was like, wow. I'm thinking, I just got married and I've got a little one and all that, and so now I'm going to pass. So passed I did. And then my favorite hobby shop, Dean's Hobby, he had this sitting out there at the shelf, and this was about a year before he decided he was going to retire, and he had it sitting out there, and so I go out there and I see it sitting there, and I'm thinking, man, this is the third time I've had this kit in my hands, and it's sealed, and I'm thinking, wow. And I see he's got full price on it. I'm not going to tell you guys what I paid, but I paid it, and I brought it home, but I have it. So I'm happy with it. Probably could not find it at a cheaper price, to be truthful. But it's comparable with what they're going for sealed. So yeah, I got my Holy Grail, one of my Holy Grails, the ones that I really are stoked about. I'll show it on another video, but this one was the drag racing stuff, and I always wanted this kit just because it was so dang cool, and when as a kid growing up. So there we go, there's mine. So let's get back to the stuff that I bought off the guy at the antique shop. Man, I bought a bunch of stuff. It was just crazy stupid how much stuff I bought. And I gave him a really good price. I got a really good price, I should say. Anyways, there's two bodies here, and they're funny car bodies, and I have all the funny car stuff, but they're in a box and I can't find the box, but I have the bodies. So here's one, and guys, I can't help you out because I was always a Chevy guy, and here's the other one. So I'm thinking 68, 69. I know there's differences. Tail lights, front ends are a little bit different. The grills were different. All that's different. So, but I've got everything for them. The glass, everything. I believe I have all the rolling chassis as well. Most of the engine parts. So yeah, these are kind of cool. They're the RT Cornets, I believe they are. And really happy about those. Because I guess they're kind of hard to find. I don't know which one it is. It's so hard to find. I think it's the 68, and to tell you which one is the 68 is, I don't know. I'll find out though, because you know it's a learning process for me. But because like I say, I grew up always messing around with Chevys, and I never did mess around with Chryslers. So here's another one that I got. Oh, it came in Candies and Hughes box, but that's not what's in here. So this one here, it's a little tough, but it's let me do this without tearing everything up if I can. But it's got the cool blower hat on there, Offenhauser, I believe it is. Yeah. So it's got the big Ford engine in there. Most of that looks like it's there, so I think I have probably 90% of it there. This was one that you could build stock or funny car, I'm believing. Anyways, yeah, kind of a neat kit. I'm real happy to get that one. And then this one is the clear body. Now he's painted it on the inside, so I think I can clean this up. I'd like to strip it down and see if I can get that clear to still be good. But most of it's here too, and I'm looking in the box right now, and it looks like everything. I got everything. So yeah, the yep, tail light, bumpers, and everything are inside the box. The only thing that I probably don't have is this. I'll figure something out there, but it's got the little scoop here because everything was under the hood or under the body. Let me see if I can. Yeah, you can see even the tub, the tins are all clear. It's kind of cool. And it's got the injectors. So I gotta do some research on it, to be honest, because I don't know if this went on a different car or if it went on this car. I haven't done any research on it. It was just the way he had everything set. That body was sitting on top of here, so I'm just assuming right now that it did go there. I'm not sure though. But yeah, kind of cool, really. Did real well there. Got another really cool box, but that's not what's in here. So actually what's in here is even cooler, I think. And let me see if I can drag it out here, not tear anything up. Yep, I've got everything to this one as well. Little AMX. It's got the grills and the tail lights and everything. It's all there. Like I say, I don't know if this chassis and engine goes to this. I don't know, but it does fit, and that's the way he had it. It also looks like it was one that you could build stock or a funny car. I'm going to go on a limb, say this one is a Johan kit, because I don't remember seeing the AMC like this anywhere else. I might be wrong, but that's a cool find right there. So again, with this one being in such tore up shape, I'm probably going to strip this one down too and redo it, because it's just begging to be built. if I can find decals for it to go back stock, then that's what I'll do. But if not, I'll leave it alone. I got another one here that's really super cool. Let me kind of put this one together because I want you to see this one. This one, come on now. And find the front grill nose piece. See if I can get this in here. It fell apart as I was walking outside. How about that? Huh? Yeah. Cutlass. Not just a cutlass, but a funny car cutlass. How about that? That's pretty cool. So, yeah, I've got a little work to do. I don't know if this chassis goes to this again. It doesn't really look like it does. But I think, yeah, because it's a little short. The front axles don't quite line up. So I don't think this one goes to it. But, well, I'll get it figured out. So there's one there that I'm not sure how I'm going to do it just yet. Once I figure it out, find out what goes where. I've got more chassis that he gave me. I didn't sort through anything, but yeah, there's some pretty old stuff right here that's pretty cool. So I'm stoked about that. And I keep them in a box. I don't get them out too much because I don't want to lose anything or break anything. But one day I'll start cleaning them up and start trying to put them together or rebuilding them somehow. So you guys got any information on any of these, that'd be really cool, especially these guys. I know nothing about them, so outside of, I think it's the 68 everybody's wanting, so I don't know. We'll see. And that's all I got for this one. I just wanted to show you a little something that I had going on. Man, I wish you guys could have the smell vision going on because it smells so good out here. Somebody's got a campfire going. Golly, I don't want to go in the house. All right, appreciate you guys showing up and hanging out with me today. Come on back again. We'll do this again. Thinking maybe tomorrow I'm going to give you an update on that little wagon. I said that before. I'm going to get back in the house and break open the glue again, so I want to get some stuff done on that. So appreciate you guys. Like and subscribe. Ring the bell. You guys know the drill. It really does mean a whole lot when you guys do that. So and leave me a comment because I like to always read what you guys are thinking, good or bad. It doesn't matter. I'm pretty thick-skinned. So talk to you guys later. All right. See ya. Bye bye.